This tutorial guides you through managing product details within the Loadvis workspace. You will learn how to search and update product information effectively. Click Product Management to open the Product Management section within the workspace. Click Product Name to view details of the selected product. Fill the control field with the product control name to specify the product you want to manage. Click Search to find the product matching the control name you entered. Click Control to select the product control entry from the search results. Click Control again to confirm your selection of the product control entry. Fill the product name field with the updated product name as needed. Click Search to apply the updated product name and retrieve the latest product information. Click Next to continue to the following step in the product management process. Click 50 to set the number of items displayed per page in the product list.